I have a great winter salad recipe for you guys. It's with beets and barley. Let's start. To the arugula, I'm adding celery stalks, cucumbers, dill, mint, cilantro, cooked beets, cooked barley, shallots, some olives, dried plums, grapes, pomegranate, feta cheese, and I'm giving everything a good mix. For the sauce, I'm adding some garlic to my lemon juice. I'm adding a little bit of molasses, some salt and some olive oil. And I'm going to whisk everything and I'm going to put it on my salad. So tasty. Please do try. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.